If you don't have a piano, this guided meditation will work for you. So what I recommend you do is memorize the way the C looks on the staff. It's on the third space. This is what a C sounds like. Now, also memorize what the D sounds like. It's on the fourth line of the staff. And that's what a D sounds like. So what you're going to do as you go through this exercise, you are going to close your eyes for the entire thing. You're going to hear a note played. You're going to make a guess. You're going to say it's either C or D, and you're going to try and visualize that C or that D in the correct placement on the staff system. As soon as you visualize it and say the name of the note, do it as quickly as possible. Open your eyes and look at the image on the screen to see if you got it right. Then close them again and wait for the next note. This is one way to do it without actually having to have a piano, and it's kind of me guiding you through it. The one thing I will say though is it's still better if you do this on your own, at least with the final exercise, because this is just a recording of me playing C and D. And if one of the notes is actually articulated differently, you're going to instantly recognize that note based on the articulation. However, even that's okay because we're not worried so much about the articulation. We're just trying to get you to visualize where C and D is on the piano, and also to try and find something that goes beyond the articulation that differentiates the C's from the D's of the world, okay? So enjoy this meditation. Close your eyes. Open your eyes after you visualize and say the note name. Check yourself, then close your eyes again and just do the next one.